Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. This is not my strong suit. Making clusters, not my strong suit. Hello, welcome to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we're going to struggle through the Bashelor week 4, where we are tasked with making 8 unique embellishments to use on my dates to add a little interest and increase the attraction. Woohoo! So what I have around me is a hot mess. You can't see it because I've kind of zoomed in right here, but over here I've got scraps. Up there I've fussy cut everything I could possibly fussy cut. Things from cut-aparts, things from pattern papers, things from pattern papers, cut-aparts, yeah, pretty much that. Okay. My goal in doing this was so that I can have things to play with that match the collection. Because what better way to create clusters than to use your paper? Okay, so this is my thought process behind what I'm doing, right? Okay. I am not confident in this process at all, but as Ginger from Ginger's Corner says, there's no wrong way to play with paper. I have a fancy Stampin' Up! Thing that I got probably half off because I would not pay $10 for this die, and it has made some bases for our little clusters here. So 1, 2, oh, look at that. I have exactly 8. Well, that kind of makes it easy for me, right? So let's just kind of start pulling some things together. I don't want this color with that color, so maybe I'll add some of that. Here's a red. Let's put that together. That'd be kind of fun. Putting these typewriters together, some tea and typing. Well, didn't that rhyme? Let's see what else I got. I got another coffee cup, but that is in red. I got one in pretty pinks. And let's see. Oh, I have this one here. This is actually going to be probably a separate cluster, but I could... Oh, you know what would be great? This and this. Okay, so those two can go together. Now I'm looking at cameras. I've got some of these guys. Let's kind of go plain on this one. And I have a rocket ship here. That would be kind of fun to use, maybe. No. This is where I struggle a little bit, right? Here's a cloud. That would be kind of fun to use. Actually, I might even not need that cluster base. Who says that I have to have a cluster base? So that's exciting. Do we need a cloud anywhere else? Not really. Now this is a punched cloud. This is one of my favorite punches. It is a Martha Stewart punch. It is massive. I wish it was slimline, you know, like that. But it cuts out a cloud plus the raindrops, which is really cool. I hardly ever use the raindrops. I primarily use the clouds, but it'd be fun. Okay. There are some numbers. I thought it would be funny to do like cloud 9. So that's cute. I'm on cloud 9. And let's see. So I guess we're kind of not using some of these things. That's okay. Now I have all these little strips of paper. I am completely happy. I consider myself to be a work in progress. Well, I guess this one already has a word, so I don't need to add anything to it. This one actually landed here, so I might as well just stick it together, right? Let's pull some of that red maybe. Okay, so this one's inspired by Beautiful World. Oh, that's perfect for that one. Worry a bit less. Not yet. Feeling inspired. Oh, that would be cute. Right here. And then let's do this. A big victory I'll never forget. Not seeing anything that's light bulby. Feeling inspired. The result of some tinkering. Oh, that'd be kind of cute. Let's do this for the idea. Since that's pink, I don't like this background, so maybe I'll switch it and cover the pink here. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, you can still kind of see that. I'll move it up a little bit. Okay, and then sometimes the messiness is more fun. Take a little time away. Oh, there was a something. Try a smidgen of bling. Definitely my inspiration. Maybe? Just a thought. Big day. These are some good sayings. Not quite what I'm looking for, but you know, that's okay. Giving a new things a whirl. That really does not help that. Could try that one. There's some red, actually. It's growing on me. That'd be kind of fun if I had some flowers or something. Born to inspire. That's cute. That's a really good set. I really am that uncool. Now over to you. Indefinitely better. Embrace creativity. That's the one for this one. It's a good challenge with happy heart. Here's Cloud 9 with a happy heart. Cute. Okay. I don't have a saying for this one. However, I don't know. That makes sense, right? Worry a bit less, feeling inspired, share your style. So clearly I have a lot to work with, right? Here's my interpretation. Embrace creativity. Sometimes more is more, right? Lovely. Okay, so that is that. Now, it would be kind of fun. No, I think that needs to be a separate deal. What if I did this? Yay for the big day. No. So this needs something right here, I feel like, to cover the ends. And I'm not seeing much that I really like. So that's not going to happen. Although, I could mix this with the numbers. Nope. Okay. This is going to just stay empty. Well, let me see here. Am I done? I mean, your clusters don't have to be anything fancy, right? Usually I stick to an odd number of things in my clusters. I feel like I just needed something back here, but oh, that'd be cute, right? Let's see, do I have something? Of course. Let's do this instead. Yeah, I like that. We're gonna add that on there. That's cute. So let's see. I've got a ton of things left to play with, but I got my 8 clusters done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. Did I really do 9? Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself. Hang on, let me recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay, I did 9. Oh, And I'm not one to do clusters, but because we're here and that's the challenge, I am challenging myself to make some clusters. So next week, or not next week, but next time we do Bashelor, it will be week or challenge 5. And it says they come in all shapes and sizes. So the idea of this challenge is to use a variety of techniques to incorporate shapes in your layouts. From photos to hexagons, maybe you'll find that one fits your style. But remember, these techniques you can use with any shape, not only the ones in her layouts. Feel free to switch about and take them. So cut files is an option. Rectangles, stars, 2-page layouts, squares. Creative Scrapper actually has been piquing my interest lately for shapes. So you might see a sketch or two by them. So tune in for the next Bashelor challenge number 5. They come in all shapes and sizes.